first ever radish harvest. These are looking pretty good. That one, I'm not sure, but I got a couple here, so I'm going to pull them. Perfect. Oh, that's a cute little thing. It probably could have grown a little bit more. That one's okay. Not the best, but I got a couple of them. It's alright. Okay, so I only got maybe 3, 4 good ones. And then this one's kind of a dud. I don't know about this one. I might be able to eat that still. These ones are it. I probably could have left this in longer, but I did resow more seeds, so I'll be getting more radishes soon. Hello everyone. Today me and my cousin are going to be harvesting our potatoes. I pulled out the weeds, so now I'm just waiting on him and my older cousin, and then we're going to harvest them. We're probably just going to dump them in the box just so I can save the soil and clean it up and everything. But yeah, and I'm not going to record him doing his potatoes because just for privacy reasons. But yeah, we're going to be harvesting our potatoes finally, and then I might do more. I'm not sure yet, but yeah, I'm going to be harvesting the taters.